get to work. Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month. And that kidney I just sold was, So as of today, I owe over 38 million yen. Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash. Burn the seeds or it'll use them to come back for round 2.
Ah, excellent work, Tenji. Someone on the black market is...
Just 70K left for me. I definitely gotta use this cut to pay the water bill. Getting that dinner tonight? Let's go full-on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay?
Your little pet honestly the best fit for this sort of job?
authentic devil hunter.
Hey, Fido! I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow...
Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
What I found out recently. It's considered normal to eat your bread with jam on it. Too bad trick the bucket either. My rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. There's no dough to go on dates.
Sell the bits. Got it?
Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me. I'm dead either way. Take a bite! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can... My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Here's an idea. Hire me as a devil hunter so I can pay off what I...
When I do cop some Z's, I know what dream I want to have. Put jam on